Namaste. All three of you can come on to video. 431, 432, 433.
431, 431 is already on, right?
What is 432 name? 431 is Amulya, right?
Yes, sir.
432?
432 is Kanishk, sir.
Spell it.
Kanishk.
Kanishk. Okay. 433?
Kirti.
Spell it.
Keerthi.
Okay. So any three of you can answer my questions. Whoever answers first will get chance. Ready?
Sir, I already have the books I got from Yuva Sammelan in front of me, sir.
You can refer anything, ask anybody, no problem. Don't worry about it. I am not asking you to show books. When did National Youth Day started in India? Which year? Most of you referred National Youth Day, Vivekananda's birthday. Which year it started? Okay, it is in 1984. Okay. Okay, all of you spoke. Somebody said that my family is also follower of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's father. Who is Swami Vivekananda's father?
Vishwanath Datta.
And the mother?
Bhuvaneshwari Devi.
Then who is Sharada Mother?
Holy Mother.
Who is that?
Wife of Ramakrishna.
Who said that?
Most probably, he was the one who helped Sister Nivedita start one school in the.
No, Sharada Mother is Ramakrishna's wife. Okay. How many brothers and sisters Swami Vivekananda has? Or he is the only son? See, when somebody says I am very close to Swami Vivekananda, definitely we will ask this question, right? How many of you have this question with you? How many of you want to know? Do Swami Vivekananda have sister or only brothers?
Keep your unmute mode, mic and unmute mode. Everybody keep your mic and unmute mode.
Any sister or brother for Swami Vivekananda? See,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me.
No, sir, but he probably had his brother monks as brothers, I guess.
No, I am asking his biological. You talked about father and mother, therefore the children. There are 3 brothers and 1 sister, but one is very famous. That is because he went to Aurobindo Swami and became a disciple. So, I am not expecting answer, but did you had this question is what I wanted to know. See, when you learn, you should also be curious to know. Oh, Swami Vivekananda, do he has some brother or sister? Okay, where was Swami Vivekananda Samadhi? Where was Swami Vivekananda Samadhi? Which place? Don't read, it takes time. If you know the answer, tell, that's good enough. See, somebody also mentioned your presentation had that. I am asking from one of the presentations who attended the others also attended the presentation. So I am asking same question which you have presented. You said Swami Vivekananda.
He took the Mahasamadhi in the Belur Math.
Where is Belur Math?
Kolkata.
Is it in Kolkata or okay? It is in Kolkata. Good. Wonderful. Which yoga is contribution of Swami Vivekananda? Which yoga? Only one, not many, only one. Which yoga was Vivekananda's contribution? It is Raja Yoga. Okay. Where did he start his Vedanta Society in America? Which place? New York. Last year, almost no, 2 years back, almost the same time I was there in New York in Vedanta Society, where Vivekananda started this. Sarvapriyananda is the head Swami there now. Okay, which is the famous talk and where did he give in America? Which place?
He gave in the Parliament of Religions in Chicago.
When was that? Chicago. When was that? Okay, tell me. 18?
93.
Date. That date is very famous for Americans.
September 11, 1893.
Okay. Now tell me, how long was the talk? How many hours? How many minutes? He gave a lecture. How many minutes? Now all of you got a chance to speak for 5 minutes in the presentation. Did Vivekananda spoke 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes?
More than 5 minutes.
What do 433 say?
I think it is less than 5 minutes because
I don't think 432 is thinking, 432 is reading. When you think it is different, read is different. Don't think, don't read and say I think.
Sir, over here it is written that
No, don't. I told you, don't read, look here and then speak. Close your book.
okay sir, close it.
I am not testing whether you are able to read or you can find out or not. No? Okay, now let me ask you. You will not get in any books. I will ask you one question. You are all from Hyderabad and we are doing it in Hyderabad. Is there any place in which in Hyderabad Swami Vivekananda spoke? He spoke in a place in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Telangana, Rangareddy, some place, or maybe Telangana. Tell me that place. There is a college now there. It's in Mehboob College. There is a hall called Vivekananda Hall. That is called Vivekananda Arts College. That is in Secunderabad, near Clock Tower. See, I am not expecting answers for most of my questions, but what I want is, are you curious to know? Do you have this energy to find out answers for this? Which year was Chicago speech? And which year was 18? September, right?
Yes, September 11, 1893.
Do you know when was? Okay, guess. Wild guess. Hyderabad lecture is before that or after that?
After that, sir. After that.
No, it was before that. Before going, he came to Hyderabad, and that was on February 13th, same year. Okay, do you know Vivekananda was a great player. He was a great swimmer. He was a great gymnastics person. He used to swim. When at your age, when he was young, he was swimming in a river. Which river was that? It's a very famous river in Indian mythology. It's called the Bhagirath River. Okay, Belur is beside which river? Any idea? have you seen in the map where Berlu is, where Calcutta is, where Almora is? Somebody told his book was famous book from Almora. Which is that book? From Dash to Almora. When you listen to a place, immediately look in the map. Okay? Look at the map, because you will learn. It will be registering in your mind. Which place to which place was his book? Repeat, somebody.